Hey, now what we gonna do right now? Let's take it back. Ha, ha. Now here we go. Hey, pretty lady, won't you swing my way? I got something significant I gotta say. It's of utmost importance that I know your name, 'cause you got me under your spell. Please say that you'll stay with me for the night. I was thinking possibly that you could plan to be a part of my life. Ha, what do you say, baby? Oh, you got me stuck and I can't get away. Darling, I'm hooked and it's more than a phase. Oh, girl, I'm stuck, I don't know what to do. You pull me in and now I'm hung up on you. I see you, baby. Now check this sweet thing. Listen. Hey, pretty lady, girl, you're just so fine. I've got only one goal, and that's to make you mine. So don't try to resist the way